Hey guys, welcome to the Pound House. If this is your first time watching, consider liking this video and subscribing if you enjoy it at the end. But let's get into it. So I'm doing a little bit of an electrical job on a customer's truck. It's a older F550 98 7.3 power stroke. Had some issues. Parasitic draw, certain stuff like that. But this video is not about that. This video is about how I forgot my battery lug crimper at my first job. So we're gonna make one. Let's do it. Let's go in the ye old trusty toolbox here. Oh, look. A brand new pair of Blue Point vice grips. Totally fresh. I mean, like, I think I might have used them on like one screw. That wasn't even that big of a deal. Now, why use a brand new pair, do you ask? Well, it's because they're junk. Look, they don't line up, and I'll try to do this while holding the camera with one hand, but like the jaw like moves a lot. And when you're trying to grab onto a bolt, it doesn't do that. Look, here's this old pair of Stanley ones that I've had for a million years and a day. The jaws are like halfway destroyed and whatever. And look at this one. Way tighter than this brand new pair of Blue Points that I got. So I'm going to keep these ones because the jaw going side to side is way worse when you're trying to remove a crappy bolt than a couple of worn out teeth that you could easily file back to good shape. So here we go. We got that. Oh, look, a bolt. Here we go. Okay, so basically we're just going to take this bolt, cut it down a little bit to make a nice little nub inside this jaw. We'll cut a little V down into this lower jaw, right around where this is going to end up when it clamps down. And that's what we're going to use as our battery lug crimper. All right, let's do it. Check. You will be your own undoing. Yes. Up a little bit.
She ain't mine, but she look fine. Gonna take some time, gonna make her mine, gonna make her mine. I'm the man, I got the plan. When it hits the fan, do all I can, do all I can. Well, she lets her hair down. She drives me wild, and she looks in my eyes. Hell yeah!
It's welded in. There she is, boys and girls. All welded up. Got contact all the way down. Not that you need it, but we got it. And the end even closes still, so if I did have to use it to hold something at the tip, Focus. You. Still could. Let's give it a little road test, shall we? This looks suitable. Box of stuff. I don't know where my box of terminals is. Where are you? Ha! There you are. If it was a snake, it'd have bit me. Kind of like a hot dog in the hallway, but let's see what we can do. Maybe we'll give this guy a try. That's a little more betterer. Open it up a little. Yeah. Oh, so okay. So this guy has this little split right up here. So we'll put the relief of the Crimp tool on the split. Open it up nice. Some big. Okay, here we go. You ready? Oh, let's see. Maybe not enough opening. Not quite enough opening. That's too much opening. We'll get it. Oh, all right. A little more. Ah, a little more. There we go. Oh yeah, babe. Really rip it in there. Well, it's not the prettiest, but it's definitely on there. Maybe I'll do another one right behind it. Just to get a nice little boop boop. Yeah, all right. We are in. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. It really helps us out. Thanks.